Welcome, friends. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today, the topic is on effective project management. There's some few key tips which I'm going to cover in this video. I'm sure you'll like it. Before I begin, I request you to subscribe my channel, spread it to your friends and contacts. What is project management? And you can see on the left hand side of your screen, it start with developing your specifications, planning, having a project plan, making team develop project, monitoring it properly, completing, and say thank you and handing over the project. These are simple steps of any projects, right? There are various project management methodologies. One is what we call is waterfall approach of project management, which is linear in nature, where we have all these process groups come, right from initiating to closing. A new one, which is very, you can say, popular nowadays, is agile. This is an iterative approach that emphasizes flexibility and adaptability. So instead of completing the project in one full go, we create smaller milestones, completing it and then moving it forward. Most of these apps which are getting first launch and then getting updates. Some of these are examples. Very popular in IT and construction projects now. That is agile, which is very flexible, very adaptable. Lean focuses on reduction of waste and maximizing value for the customer. So these are some of the project management methodologies or approaches which we must know. The importance of project management, I have already created one video. I will get the link also in the description box. You must go through that because there are a lot of advantages of effective project management. So it involves teamwork, it involves a lot of planning, right communication, effective communication, and completing the project within the time, within the budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. These are some of the important benefits. But there's a full-fledged video which I have described each and every importance or benefit of project management. Please do watch that. Key project management skills, communication, very important. Collaboration, another important, because humans come together to deliver the project, right? Human aspect difficult to control, and that's why communication, leadership, collaboration is important. Time is the essence of any project, and in today's world where the rapid progress is happening, time is very important aspect, right? Problem solving, because each projects will have problems. Problem solving is another important skill which is required for a project manager, and he has to be a decision maker. He cannot be lagging behind. So these are some of the important key project management skills for effective project management. Stages of project management: it starts with initiating, planning, executing, then monitoring, controlling, and then the closure. With the closure, we get a lot of lessons of learned, which goes back to the input of the next project. This is how the projects are staged. Project management tools and software, there are various tools. On the scheduling tools, you've got Primavera, you've got Microsoft Project, but there are further tools which I have described in front of you. Trello, it's a visual collaboration tool that uses boards, lists, and cards, right? The to-do list, you are very clear about how do we give specific assignment to specific task member and how they collaborate each other without getting much human intervention. Asana is another mobile application designed again to help the teams and track their work. That's another important. Monday.com, a project management tool that helps team plan. Again, it's all about tracking, managing, and controlling. These are some of the softwares which you can use. You can go through, see which is applicable for you. Common project management challenges, and this includes one of the important aspects is poor communication. Ineffective communication is one of the important aspect which we must attack and solve. Scope creep, the unnecessary untracked changes which are called scope creeps, is another important aspect for project failure. And not having collaboration or team working together is another important challenge faced in project management. We must solve those to make it successful. Best practices for successful project management, there are a lot of them, and one of the important aspect is you need to make a detailed project plan and keep on reviewing, setting the realistic targets, prioritizing the activities, and most important, you must, as a project manager, devote a lot of time and on critical path, because any change there will have problem or impact on the project progress. So this is some of the best practices. A request: there are a lot of project management courses at affordable investment. The links are given below. Please click them and you can get a lot of inputs in your project management journey that will help you. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, ajazkazi.com. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.